This emergency alert system by the United States government. More cars with no drivers inside to beginning to wreak havoc in Los Santos, causing property damage to the United States. And the car will cost more damage than the rest of them is. Phantom 79, a black van with armor, a bar with white tires and with guns and explosive mines. Once again, stay in your home and do not approach these cars as they considered very dangerous to approach. Especially Phantom 79. Stay tuned for this life-threatening situation.
Hijack this network to tell you an important message. You cannot kill us. You cannot fight back. No matter what you do against, we will come back stronger. Your cozy little bubble will eventually pop by the time we found you. And if you manage to kill one of our offspring, then it is our turn to wreak havoc on the countryside. Goodbye, you fuck.